Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center and radius of a circle. First, recognize the standard form. Quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. Here, the center of the circle is at coordinates h, k. The radius, r, is simply the square root of the constant term on the right side of the equation. This direct approach makes finding these values straightforward. When given the general form of a circle's equation, you'll need to convert it to standard form. This involves a process called completing the square. Group your x terms and y terms together, then add the necessary constants to both sides of the equation to create perfect square trinomials. Finally, move any remaining constant to the right side to match the standard format. Let's work through an example. If you have x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 6y equals 12, complete the square for x and y. You'll find the center at -2, 3. A common mistake is forgetting to take the square root of the constant on the right side. If the right side is 25, the radius is 5, not 25. Understanding how to find the center and radius of a circle is fundamental for many applications, from designing gears to calculating orbital paths in physics. Consistent practice with various equations will solidify your understanding and speed. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive these steps become. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for your meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.